Hey guys, welcome to Creative Soft, and in this video we are going to do the unboxing of the Redmi Note 12. And this is the ice blue color which I have, the 6GB 128GB, the base variant of the Redmi Note 12. And as you can see the price over here, but if you want to buy this particular phone guys for a discounted price, you all can check out the link in the description to get it from Amazon. And in my case guys, I personally feel that you should buy the green instead of blue, so I'll leave that in the description. Let's just open it, and the ice blue color looks fantastic guys. I have no issues with it, and I've been using this particular ice blue color for some time, I guess. And let me just show you how it feels. The in-hand feeling of this particular phone is like, spot on, and I kind of really like it. And Redmi had been doing a great job in India guys, providing budget phones and all. And but recently I feel nobody is buying Redmi, everyone is going for iPhones. I am not pretty sure. And anyway, this video is not sponsored by Redmi and all. I got this from my own money. And there is this sticker which you have here behind the phone and behind every phone of Redmi, so you all just have to remove that. And let me just boot and remove this particular sticker guys. And previously I had been using Redmi since Mi3, their first phone. Sorry, that was not Redmi, that was Mi, the flagship device. And now this is the Redmi mid-range device. And I'm using, I think, the Redmi phones from Redmi 2, I guess. And I'm in the correct position to give it. Comes with a type C and all that, 3.5 mm headphone jack and all. And if you like this kind of videos and content guys, please hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and please press that bell notification icon. And also follow us on social media at the rate Creative Soft on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. I feel Redmi has been doing like almost a great job when it comes to delivering their products and all. And personally I find that these phones are not so privacy centric. And when you are doing upgrade of I mean installation or the setup of this phone, you should be very careful, especially during this place wherein you click on terms and condition and set up some other things. And you all can get this particular phone from Amazon, I would say. And that's the best way of getting it. And please uncheck all this particular tick boxes which you have related to privacy, otherwise you will be bloated with lot of ads. And if you just uncheck all these things guys, ad personalization and all, then you are not going to get any more sort of this advertisements and all. And these are very like boring and all. So just make sure that you all are unchecking everything, including Google services, location tracking and all, because just privacy is very important thing guys, at least in 2024. And I'd been using this for a week and I had no complaints with this. The display is fantastic. It comes with some 6.67 I guess. And it's a AMOLED display. Basically I can just see some bezels at the bottom. Front camera, I would say it's not that great. Another thing, this is good for those people who are using a smartphone for the first time. And there are two lenses. One is wide, the ultra wide, and that macro thing, which I don't know why companies keep on giving. And this comes with loaded with MIUI 14, and MIUI 14 is a great improvement over their previous operating systems, I would say. And as you can see, now I think Xiaomi is giving this Hyper OS and all, but this comes with MIUI. And there is a lot of bloatware guys. Means personally I don't know why people would in this price bracket may not use LinkedIn and other emergency services and all. So there are a lot of bloatware. At least something like Netflix I can imagine you people might be using, and you can simply remove it. And by the way, there is this suggestion and all the moment you type recent and all. And again, lot many bloatware like typical Xiaomi thing. And personally what I like about the display is the responsiveness, and it is very nice panel. It's not best I would say from Xiaomi, because I previously have used it. Let me just open this camera and disable the location. Please do this whenever you get some location tagging and all, just disable it except for Google Maps. And let me just show you some sample photos which I have taken guys. I'm just doing this sort of a live review of it, because I already had this and I'm recording this later. One thing what I noticed is Xiaomi is limited to 1080p 30 fps, so no depth, it is not going to record at 60 fps, and this is the downside I feel so of this particular camera. So this is not a camera centric phone, but for those people who just want like a basic thing, even the auto focusing is quite nice, and for those purpose I feel, guys, I'm very much impressed with it. At least the colors are slightly misaligned as per my camera, but in real life you'll have no issues. I clicked lot many photos with this, mostly photos, not videos, and I'm not disappointed. And I feel Xiaomi have done a great job, because if you see that particular price range, guys, I don't think so any phone comes to this close, because I just got it for 11,000 with offers, bank offers and all on Amazon. So check out the link in the description to get this for a discounted price, and you get typically every Xiaomi imaginable, what you can say is the camera apps, and it's nice, because it's a shame that Apple is not even giving a pro mode bit than these phones I have. And also I have my old trusty Redmi Note 10s, which is running on Lineage. I'll be doing a review on that also after 2 to 3 years, and as you can see, I'm pretty much impressed. And this is one of the safest bet, because Motorola have been doing great, but another issue with Motorola at this price range, it is just giving you some basic, what you can say, LCD display instead of OLED display. So OLED display, if you are using it with just for watching videos like you on YouTube, Instagram also, I had no issues with it. And you get this particular box, and as you can see over here, this case also feels very nice, and it is very elegant, guys. By the way, I've been using this and there is no yellowing as such, even after using it for a month. Maybe in the future this will get yellow, and I'll be also linking some cases for this particular phone. And let me know in the comments below which phone you are using, whether you all prefer Realme or Xiaomi, Redmi, and what do you think about this particular phone. Because in my case, guys, if your budget is very low, just go for this. And this is a non 5G variant, because what I noticed with the 5G, especially with Jio, the signal drops, so it is fair bit to buy a 4G phone, and maybe you're never going to use it as much. And to wrap up this, it's a fantastic buy, at least it's a positive from my end. And definitely if you have money, please go for this instead of buying some other phones with a LCD panel. And that's it, guys. I hope you all enjoyed this video as much as we did while creating it. Please subscribe to our channel and do watch out all these particular videos which we have it and on this playlist also. Let me know in the comments below what do you think about this, and thanks again for watching this video, and see you in my next video.